Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I am making pumpkin spice cornbread. It's moist, it's tasty, it's yummy, it's everything. Let's get started right now. I am folding in the heavy cream. I still want to keep the creamy texture of the heavy cream. This cornbread was on another level. It was so delicious, so yummy. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.